What is going on, guys? I only got 6 minutes to make this video, so I'm gonna make it quick. This is my new shop. I'm renting it with my brother. That's Ross, he's my buddy. It's got an office, basically pretty empty, but lots to come at the shop. This is the new project. It is a 92 Nissan 240 SX. Just picked it up today. Actually just dropped it off. Basically a little rundown on this thing is it was started and kind of never finished. It's got 300ZX calipers all around, 5-lug swap, Varstone ES6s. It is right-hand drive. It was, I believe, firewall swapped, but it's fully caged, crackless dash, bunch of cool fucking gauges and whatnot. 5-speed rb25 trans, inline handbrake. I don't know, my phone's freaking out. It's pretty cool. Got a brand new Duraflex maybe kit with it. Came with side skirts, everything. Came with 35mm front fenders as well, right over there, that are brand new. It's got a rb25 Neo 6, I believe that's what he said. So it's got rb26 in internals. So basically this thing doesn't really run right. But anyways, it is tubbed. It's got this cool little rad support that's like removable. Grading manifold, all that jazz. But yeah, I did a compression test. Everything came out pretty decent. It's on Megan Racing coilovers. It's got a bunch of suspension goodies. The coilovers are like brand new race clip harnesses, or harness. This seat's like eBay rep. It's gonna need a new steering wheel. It's got these pretty badass gauges. Everything works. Barely. It's got a kooky wing on it, which is dope. The top hat's on the struts in the rear, extended, pretty badass. I'm not really sure exactly what exhaust, but it's a full straight pipe. I'm gonna have to look at the thread which this car was built. But yeah, that's basically it. I will do a detailed video of this thing soon. I just kind of got to get situated at the shop and start tearing this thing apart. But like the video. If you guys want to see more, there will be more. So expect more videos of this fucking thing.